Hey everyone, Donnie here, and thanks for joining me today on my YouTube channel, Big Drone Flyer 77 RC. Hey, today I have the Syma X500. This is a GPS drone. I'm going to do a flight with it first. If you want to stick around to the end, see what comes in the box, see all the goodies it comes with, stick around after the flight. We'll do that. If you're new to the channel, definitely go and hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you can always tune in to see what I'm getting next and reviewing, guys. And it's mostly a lot of toy grade. There's some hobby grade stuff, so if you're into that, definitely hit the subscribe. But for now, let's get to that flight. We're gonna get to the intro first though. All right guys, hey, you want to turn on the controller first on this and then go ahead and turn on the drone. Get this guy fired up here. Pretty bright, so it is firing up. Let's see, make sure it did start up here. Okay, yeah, power's on. So you want to go up, down to bind it. I'm going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, so let me get in the Wi-Fi service. Going to be a lot of noise because a lot of traffic today, because the smoke is actually cleared up a little for today, but I'm sure it'll be back. We just get little pockets, you know, of clear sky, so I thought I'd come out here and do this review. So bear with me and I'll get this thing set up for you guys. Let's just find the right Wi-Fi here. X30 is what the Wi-Fi showed up, so I'm going to do a quick screen recording here, so that way you guys could see what's going on my end here. This adjusts the camera up and down, so I don't see it. There it goes. It was all the way down almost, I guess. Nope. Boy, there's a lot of lag there. So okay, I got the camera going. I did put a class 10 SD card in here, so I'm going to do a compass calibration, you guys. So you can do it by holding this button. Should be able to press that and it should be ready for compass calibration. So let's see if the lights are flashing on this. Can't really see it, so there we go. All right, let me boy, that's a big lag for me right here. So much interference at this park. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to prepare. I'm going to do a calibration through the app. Press calibrate. Okay. All right, so let's do a calibration. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this way 3 times. And it says down. All right. See what that does here. See if I got any satellites here. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start the recording here. Switch it to video. Press record. The lights are still flashing there, so I don't know if it's going to take off yet. I have to wait for satellites. It says I got 11 of them, so I should be able to take off, you guys. So let's go ahead and try it, see if it'll take off yet. There we go. What I did is I just held up, or you could go and push them outwards, I believe, or inwards, but I just held up. That's one way of being able to take off. See how steady this thing is. So far it seems pretty steady, you guys. Not too bad. Front lights are flashing. I don't know if that just means it's recording or what, but what's going on, guys? Seems to be doing okay. Take a look at this guy. Pretty neat little drone here. Come a long way since Syma X5C. All right. Let's go ahead and take this guy for a flight. See how well he does. Let's see if we can go into a different mode here. Get a little faster here. I think it's, let's see. There we go. So the right joystick, there's rate 1, rate 2. Let me go and check the settings just to make sure there's nothing else on here. Distance, everything's maxed. Okay, no beginner mode on. So all right, let's go ahead and go out. This thing's really steady, guys. It's just sitting right there. All right, it's kind of hitting some kind of geo fence for a second there. Do make sure your antenna is out as well. Let me go up a little more. I already got freeze up on the Wi-Fi. You know, I had problems with some of the other Symas, and I think it's just my area right here, you guys. So much Wi-Fi interference. So, okay, we went pretty far there. I'm going to return it to home. First, I'm going to do a little pan around, just to kind of look at everything so you guys can kind of see everything. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and press return to home. Hold it for a few seconds. Looks like it's turning back around. Here it comes. I don't know how much of the functions I'm going to go through, but I just wanted to do an initial flight, see how well it flies, and see how well the return to home works. I may do a later video on more of the functions. It just depends on how the Wi-Fi is working. So it's straight above me. Here it comes down. I'm going to tilt the camera down, see if I can get a downward angle here. Here it comes pretty fast. That thing's coming down hot. I got the camera down, so hopefully you guys can see the ground here, and it's pretty far off. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. All right, I'm going to cancel that there. Put the camera back up. Got to just keep pressing the button to get the camera to come back up, and it looks like it's back up here now. So, yep, it is. A little slow on the camera, but it's not bad though for a toy drone. It's actually not a bad little flyer. It kind of gets a little hiccups. See, it tries to stop a little bit. That's me making it move left and right. But just gonna fly it around here, coming back towards me. But you can see the GPS it definitely stops it. And there we go. All right, let's see if I can do any of the functions here. Hopefully it's pretty hot today, so what happens is my phone gets overheated, especially when I'm running the screen recorder as well. So the screen may shut down, guys. So I'm gonna try to get these in time here. Here's a circle me. Let me go back. Let me back up a bit here. Get out in the field here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try this circle me mode. Here it goes. There we go. And it started. Looked like it was going for a second there. Okay, should be going now. It's going out a little ways, and now it should be circling. Let's see if I can raise it. Yep, I could raise it while it's going. I can also, let's see, nope, you can't back out of it, so you'll have to adjust it in the app. So it's going to do tight turns because you have to adjust it inside the app, you guys. So, but Circle Me is working. Let me go ahead and cancel that. Let's see if we can do like a point of interest here. See if that works. Okay, I'm gonna have to bring up my map here, you guys, because I don't want to be flying out in the street here. So I'm gonna just put a couple little pinpoints here, and I'm gonna put it like right back towards me here. Okay, and let's go ahead and get it started here. All right, here we go. Should be starting. All right, there it goes. It's going up. Like I said, you can change these ratings in the app, you guys. So there's 0.1. All right. Went up a little bit, coming towards 0.2. I kind of went out there. I think I went too far there, but at least it's above this tree right now. Oh, nope. Let me go and let me cancel that real quick. Okay, I'm gonna cancel that. They bring this guy back. I went a little too far. It started going into the other park. So, but it does work, you guys. You pretty much get the point there. Let me get off of this. So yeah, it's not too bad. Let me try to take some pictures here. See how well the pictures look. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap one off now. All right, let me rotate towards Sacramento. Hopefully these birds don't go and hit it. Hopefully we can see Sacramento okay. We'll have to check on the SD card, so hopefully that SD card's recording. And then I'm gonna go ahead and face over here by the shopping center. Snap a shot. All right, so I'm gonna go back out again and just try one more return to home. Just gonna kind of cruise. I just gotta watch out for that hawk there. They will swoop and grab these drones. He's looking at it.
You got them in? No, every time my tire like...
All right, let me go ahead and press return to home. Here it comes. It's turning around. And here it comes. Probably gonna bring this thing down. That hawk was swooping by it. That hawk up there, if you guys could see that. But here comes the drone. I gotta keep an eye on this hawk. This thing's pretty small, so it looks like food to him. I think when he got close, he realized it was making sounds and it wasn't a bird. So, but I like how this thing turns around and ends up facing you as it comes back. So that's always a plus. I am going to be probably about 3 to 4 meters off of the landing pad, so I'm going to just press up to cancel that return to home. So yeah guys, it's not bad at all. Let's see how low this thing can fly. I want to see if I can get this thing out of GPS mode is what I want to look at here. Let me see if I can get into the settings here. I'm going to start the recording again. Let's go ahead and start that if I can. All right, let's try it on here. All right, started the recording from the buttons up here. So I want to see if I have a GPS mode or not on here. So let me see what else we have. Bear with me guys. Should be a way of shutting off this GPS. I just have to remember. Let's see. It's got to be in the app, but oh well guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I'll do another flight another time, but I want to see how low this thing will fly. I was gonna do it in altitude hold, but it seems to be doing okay in GPS mode. So if you want to kind of follow the grass like that, it's actually holding its position really well. Came down a little bit there. Oh, whoa. That was close. It did dive down, so be careful with that. Let's see what the battery's at so far, because this thing will raise up and return to home once the battery gets low. It says it's about half-life, so I kind of just want to see, you know, how long this battery's gonna last before it returns to home. So I'll go ahead and just kind of fly around here for a minute, guys. All right, guys. Hey, I ended up bringing this thing back. I just don't want to be out here that long. It's still got 2 bars, and I've been out here flying for a while off camera to, you know, speeding it up for you guys to see what the flight time is. And God, it's still going, so I'm just gonna land it. You know, it's still smoky here, and I don't want to breathe too much of that smoke, so let me bring this back to me. All right, guys. I'm gonna hold down and it'll stop it. So you can actually just hand catch it, so in case you don't have a landing pad. But dang, this thing is flying longer than I thought. It's still 2 bars on the battery, and I know I've been out here for a while now with this thing, so I'll definitely leave a flight time of where I stopped, and I still have half a life left on the battery, guys. So all right, hey Syma, I sure appreciate you sending out the X500. Guys, check out their Amazon link. I'll leave it in the descriptions, and I sure appreciate all you watching and all your support, and definitely hit that like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So all right, hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for the unboxing. It's going to be a quick unboxing. It's a nice day here in California, besides the smoke that's still in the air, but I wanted to show you what came in the package and show you what Syma sent. And they've come a long ways from the X5C to now this neat little GPS drone, and they got another GPS drone out there, which is really nice. I'll leave links to that as well in the descriptions. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and open this thing up, show you the way it came. It's got stuff all packaged up here. I'll get everything out. Here's the drone. It's 4K. It has 5G Wi-Fi, so it does you do have to have that device. So it just unfolds really easy, super nice. You could tilt the camera up and down from the controller, so not a bad little drone. You get 2 batteries, which I'll show you here. They come in the package here. Then you could just discard all these packages here. They're kind of tight in there, so let me go ahead and get this guy out of there. All right, we got the screwdriver coming out, that's why. Okay, so screwdriver, charging cable here. I'll show you how that works here in a second. You got your other charging cable. This would be for your remote. So there's that. I'll set these off to the side. This one should be the battery. Okay, so here's the extra battery. This is some little foam deals. They must be little LAN pads for underneath here somewhere. So they must attach to these right here. So either that or in the front, but I haven't looked at that yet, guys. Yep, here's the extra battery. I'm going to discard all those packages when I'm done. But the battery, does it even say on here? Yeah, it does. So this one is 7.6 volt, 1700 milliamps, and you're supposed to get 20 minutes of flight time. So you're going to have 40 minutes of flight with this because they give you 2 batteries, which is awesome. To get back to that charger, this just slides on here, then you slide right up into the connector, then you plug that USB charger into a wall mount or into your computer, and it will take several hours to charge this, you guys, but you'll see that if you click on the link. It'll give you all that information in the sales link. Okay, it's in the description, guys. Take a look at this controller. It's kind of tight in here, so here's the phone holder. It will hold my iPhone 7 Plus with the cover still on it, which is good. These come out. You have your toggle switches, which feel really nice. Your on and off button, 1 key take off, 1 key land. This will calibrate the GPS, and this is your return to home. You got your camera functions here. Long press will start the film, long press will stop the film. Short press for camera, take a picture, and this makes the camera go up and down, guys. Don't forget to bring your Wi-Fi antenna up so that way you get the best signal you can. We got one last thing in the package, and that is the prop guards. I'm not going to put them on, but they are in here. They're pretty simple, guys, so easy to set up. And you got extra propellers. Looks like 2 of them in there, so 2 extra propellers. So one more thing before I go here, guys, is here's the manuals here. So X500, and it's got everything you need to know here. Gives you the QR code for the Syma Air app, so you can find that iOS and Android, and a little battery caution here, guys. So I appreciate you watching, sticking around to the end for the unboxing. Hopefully I didn't bore you too much, but I wanted everybody to see what comes in the package in case you decide to buy it. Any questions, just leave me a comment down below. The link for this is in the descriptions, guys, so any other information you need to know, click on that link. It'll show you. It's from Amazon and Syma. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. God bless.